Tires are one of the most important components on your car. They should be inspected regularly for inflation pressure and wear. Inflation pressure should be checked every week or two. The correct pressure will be shown in your owner's manual or on a sticker located on the driver's or passenger's door or the door jamb. Most inflation pressures are given for cold tires. If the tires are warm, the pressure will be a couple of pounds per square inch higher. To check tire pressure, use a quality tire pressure gauge. Remove the valve cap if your car has one and press the gauge directly on the tire valve. Check the reading on the gauge. If the pressure is below the recommended level, you'll need to add air using an air hose at a service station. To add air, press the air hose squarely on the tire valve and add a small amount of air. Recheck the pressure with your gauge and repeat until the tire has the correct pressure. Then replace the valve cap. To check the tires for tread wear, you'll need a tread depth gauge or a small ruler. Tread depth gauges are inexpensive and can be purchased from an auto parts store. To check tread depth, take the depth gauge or ruler and measure the depth of the tread grooves. The minimum legal tread depth is 1/16 of an inch. A quick check of tread depth can be performed with a penny. The distance from the top of Lincoln's head to the top edge of the penny is about 1/16 of an inch. Also, check to see if the tread is wearing evenly across the width of the tire. If the outer edges show more wear, it usually means the tire has been run with too little air pressure. If the center of the tread has more wear, the tire has had too much air pressure. If you're sure the tires have been properly inflated, and if one side of the tread exhibits more wear, a wheel alignment problem is indicated. If the tread has spotty wear, a wheel balance problem is likely. If you have a flat tire, your owner's manual has complete instructions for changing a tire. Always check the air in the spare tire when you inspect the other tires. The required pressure for the spare should be shown in your owner's manual. If it isn't, inflate it to the highest pressure recommended for the other tires. If it's used to replace a tire requiring lower pressure, adjust the pressure accordingly when it's placed on the car. As an alternative, emergency tire inflators are available. These products inflate and seal a tire on a temporary basis, allowing you to proceed to a service station where the tire can be fixed properly. They are a very convenient alternative to the messy job of changing tires. Some cars have compact spare tires. These spare tires usually require higher air pressure than normal tires. If you can't find the correct tire pressure in your owner's manual, look closely at the side wall of the spare tire. The maximum inflation pressure will be marked on the side wall. Inflate the tire to this pressure only if you are unable to find the correct pressure in your owner's manual.